Hello YouTubers, here we have this TAT Industrial. This is a 56-inch UFO model. I didn't even know they made this model until recently. Like, that's huge. The motor has got a lot of weight to it. Blades have interesting shapes. They're pitched at the beginning, they kind of taper the way down, so they're about flat almost in the very end, so that's different. This thing is super cool. I actually got two of these. This one's actually going to be mine. It's the one I'm keeping in my personal collection. This is just a cool industrial. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and power it on the high. It does need a new bushing where it mounts. Besides that, a little bit of time to get the speed. I believe it uses steel blades, but it definitely moves a lot of air. You got full speed right there. Here's a bit of a wisp to it. It was a very good amount of air. Basically a straight blade industrial. So let's go ahead and do spin down, or some of the spin down. One thing I'm going to say here for the full spin down probably, because I have a lot to get through, whether it be stuff I want to test for myself, or I gotta finish sales. I got some fans of stuff to get sold, and I gotta start seeing what people want parts. This is one of those fans I got from Adam, and I don't know, I don't remember seeing a video that he's testing before. I don't even know if he has them on his page. Adam is the curator of the Vintage Ceiling Fans page. He basically controls the website, so like that, owns it and whatnot. And he's usually the one that takes the photos and the videos of the fans, but he had two of these, and I don't recall him making a video of either one. So, very cool fan, very powerful fan. Like I said, I never knew they made a 56-inch version. I know they had 36-inch, and I know they had 48-inch. But the 56-inch is pretty awesome. It's got a lazy wobble when it slows down, but at speed it's pretty well balanced. So yeah, that'll probably be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.